Hey everyone, welcome to this quick tutorial on how to share an Instagram story to your own story in 2025. If you're an active Instagram user, you know how stories can boost engagement, and resharing is a great way to join the conversation. Whether you're sharing a friend's fun moment or a trending post, I'll walk you through the steps in just a few minutes. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you have the latest version of the Instagram app installed on your phone. Instagram updates frequently, and for 2025, they've streamlined the sharing process for smoother experiences. Open the app and head to your home feed or search for the profile whose story you want to share. Once you're viewing the story, look at the bottom of the screen. You'll see a few icons. Tap on the share button, which usually looks like a paper airplane or a chain link. This will bring up a menu of options. From that menu, select Add to your story. This feature lets you repost the content directly to your own story feed. Now, you'll be taken to the editing screen where you can personalize it. Add some text, stickers, emojis, or even music from Instagram's library to make it uniquely yours. After customizing, hit the Your Story button to share it with all your followers, or choose Close Friends for a more private audience. And just like that, your shared story is live. A quick tip for 2025. Always add a credit or tag the original poster to show appreciation and avoid any issues. It's a simple way to build a positive community on Instagram. There you have it. Resharing stories is easier than ever. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit the bell icon for updates. Drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.